Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is 7th session of International Solar Alliance Assembly. Recently, the 7th session of the International Solar Alliance Assembly was inaugurated at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. The ISA Assembly will deliberate on initiatives of International Solar Alliance (ISA) that impact energy access, security, and traditions with a focus on empowering member countries to adopt solar energy and mobilize finance to speed up solar deployment. The 7th session of the International Solar Alliance is going to be held under the presidency of India and co-presidency of France. Ministers, mission heads and delegates from 120 member and signatory countries along with partner organizations and stakeholders will come together in the assembly. During this 3-day assembly, the major focus will be on the initiatives to improve energy access, security and transition. At this assembly, the fulcrum of the discussions will be the means and modes that will be adopted to accelerate solar deployment across member countries, especially in regions with limited energy access. Additionally, updates on ISA's flagship initiatives for entrepreneurs, skill enhancement and capacity building, mobilizing finance and advocacy for solar as energy as a choice will be presented. Now let's discuss about International Solar Alliance, that is ISA. It is an intergovernmental organization that aims to promote the use of solar energy to address energy needs and combat climate change. It was established on November 30, 2015 during the United Nations Climate Change Conference in Paris. It is a global platform dedicated to increasing the use of solar energy and making it more accessible and affordable for all. ISA is open to all countries with a special emphasis on those located between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, which receive abundant sunlight. Now is the time for practice question. What kind of energy solutions does ISA primarily focus on? Wind energy, solar energy, nuclear energy or geothermal energy? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.